Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to change a CV axle on a Dodge Ram 1500. First, gather your essential tools, including a 36mm socket, a torque wrench, and a pry bar. Make sure you have a new CV axle, fresh cotter pins, and some new grease. Always prioritize safety by properly lifting your truck and securing it on sturdy jack stands before beginning any work. To begin, remove the wheel, then the brake caliper and rotor to expose the hub assembly. Next, loosen the large axle nut, typically a 36mm size. You will then need to separate the upper ball joint from the steering knuckle to allow enough movement. Finally, carefully pry the old CV axle from the differential and slide it out of the hub assembly. Now it is time to install the new CV axle. Carefully insert the splined end into the differential, ensuring it fully seats and clicks into place. Guide the outer end through the hub assembly, then reattach the upper ball joint to the steering knuckle. Hand tighten the new axle nut, then torque it to approximately 185 foot-pounds for secure installation. For the final steps, reassemble the brake rotor, caliper, and wheel. Tighten the lug nuts to about 130 foot-pounds. Once everything is back together, carefully lower your Dodge Ram 1500 to the ground. Perform a final torque check on all fasteners to ensure everything is secure. Finally, take your truck for a test drive to confirm proper function and smooth, quiet operation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.